Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anggun Guna Puspita from Academic Speaking B. In this video, I will present about coronavirus disease, or we can call it COVID-19. This virus is still worldwide. Even though a vaccine has been found, cases of COVID-19 transmission still occur. At present, COVID-19 still harms many people in the world. So, what is a virus called COVID-19? Coronavirus disease, or COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands or using an alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person cough or sneeze. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette. For example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. And that is the symptom of coronavirus disease. WHO gathering the latest international multilingual scientific findings and knowledge on COVID-19. The global literature cite the WHO COVID-19 database is updated daily, Monday through Friday, from search for bibliographic database, hand searching, and the addition of other expert reference scientific article. This database represents a comprehensive multilingual search of current literature on the topic. While it may not be exhaustive, new research is added regularly. The WHO Evidence Retrieval Subgroup has begun collaboration with key partners to enrich the citation and build a more comprehensive database with inclusion of other content. Database is built by BIREMA, the Specialist Center of PAHO or AMRO, and part of the Regional Office Department of Evidence and Intelligence for Action in Health. Department of Health has today reported one new case of COVID-19 in Western Australia, bringing the state total to 848. The confirmed case is a female in her 14 years old who returned to Perth from overseas. She is in hotel quarantine. Western Australia Health is monitoring 7 active cases and 832 people have recovered from the virus in Western Australia. Yesterday, 607 people present to Western Australia COVID clinic until 601 were assessed and swabbed. There have been a lot of people COVID tests for performed in Western Australia. Of those tests, 99,432 were from regional Western Australia. In our country, Indonesia, the COVID-19 cases are still on the rise, so we have to be more vigilant even though Indonesia has entered the new normal. Let's follow health protocols by maintaining etiquette when coughing and sneezing, diligently washing hands, and maintaining cleanliness, and don't forget to wear a mask. The occurrence of COVID-19 transmission or not all depends on ourselves. Let's break the chain of the transmission of COVID-19. Our effort to take care of ourselves also benefit those around us. Okay, that's all about COVID-19. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.